Hiya, I'm Paul. So this is my Berlingo Micro Camper. I've not done any work on it for a while. We've had storm after storm, and as you can see now, we've got sunshine and it's about to go into the next week. So this needs stapling down properly, and I need to do a worktop for that. So I've got some cardboard here and make a template to cut the wood that I've got at home. Okay, catch up after I've done some bits. Right, I haven't done that much really. Just cut this template out here. So I'm going to cut the proper wood tomorrow, fit that. So it's a start anyway, because we'll be camping in a month. Well, not in a month, in April. Okay, here's a piece of wood that I'm going to use for the worktop. Now, I've measured it out with a marker off the template here. So I'm going to cut it out, but this little fella wants walking first, and it's a bit early. It's only 9:30 in the morning. Don't think my neighbours will appreciate me sawing, so I'm going to walk the dog and catch up with you in a bit. Okay? Just need this edge cutting off here. Right, that's the worktop fitted. Needs a clean, white spirit to get this marker off. That's it. Got trouble with me barking at everyone. Right, put the cooker in. I cut the wood in. Right, so that's it a bit tidier. Clean the worktop, got the pen off. Little set of drawers. Right, that's it for today. Good morning, it's Saturday, the 30th of March. 10 o'clock in the morning. Right, I've just fitted this here that you can see along there, because the dog fell down there when I was doing my urban camp. So, fitted that. Needs a proper bracket on it. It's just got little brackets holding it in place in a minute, so it's not very firm, and I'm going to recover it as well. Right, catch up in a bit. Okay, so I've not done much more today. I've just put this in, and it's the portable solar generator that I made. You can see it's got a voltage meter there, sockets, one's a cigarette socket, one's 2 USB sockets. I'll actually pull it out and show you now. So this is it, I've made this myself. So voltage meter, quite stiff to get open, cigarette socket, 2 USB sockets. So I want to fit a fan inside this. If you look inside, it's got a solar charger, fuse box, batteries, wires. I want to fit a fan inside it so I can keep it in my vehicle and have it charging, and it'll produce no heat, or any heat will be directed out. So that's that. Right, I'm going to staple this fabric down, but I'm going to finish the video here. That's enough, it's long enough, I only want to keep them short. Right, So thanks for watching. You've been watching me, Paul, at One Man One Dog Berlingo Micro Camper, and I'll see you next week. Bye.